Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a kid.
Oh, heck no. You need to get away from me. I'm gonna fight you.
I'm so hungry I could eat a kid. I'm so hungry I could eat a kid.
What kid are you about to eat?
Yeah.
No.
So hungry right now, I could eat a kid.
Why you eat that?
Like one of y'all. Because I'm so hungry.
Don't eat us.
I'm so hungry I could eat a kid. So which kid can I eat?
You can't eat Milan.
I can eat Milan?
No, you cannot eat my sister. You cannot eat nobody.
Oh.
I'm so hungry I could eat a baby.
Oh, shit.
You know, I'm so damn hungry I could eat a kid.